This is second problem mm, of code for exam 667 due 3. So the problem is yet another bookshelf. Okay. Mm, okay. This is the B problem. So what is the we are just having some books. Like a array is given. If it is 1, then we have books. If it is 0, then we have not have books. So what do we do? We have to shift the ones so that all the one are continuous. That's the behind the answer. And the concept is this. So the idea behind this. So what we have to do is we have to just find the how many zeros are between the ones. How the number of zeros is equal to number of zero will equal to shift is equal to shift. That is the idea behind this solution. Okay, that is the solution of the question. So let how to implement. So this is the implementation of this is the my approach of implementation. So what I will do is I will just if this is array or book shelf, like here is 0, here is 1, here is 0, here is 1 and 0 0 0 or 1 0. Okay, so what we do is if it is 1, like if it is 0, if it is 0, so what I do is let's check it out if it is and if we are just have taken two variable count and flag. Okay, if it encounter 1, then flag will increase by 1. If we encounter 1 in the array, then we increase flag, and if we encounter 0, then we increase count. So first we say that ai is 0, then flag is I will initialize both 0. So flag is not greater than 0, so nothing else. So we just do flag is equal to 0. And if ai is 0, then minus minus, because like if we are just okay, I will understand after this. And now become we just come here. Okay, in 2 we just increase flag by 1 because 1 is there, then we increase flag is equal to 1 if count is greater than 0. Like count is not greater than 0, this means that before this there are no books we have that we can't shift in this side. Okay. Hmm. So then answer will be count plus, so count will be 0. So this is our now flag is 1. Okay, now we encounter 0, we encounter 0. So if ai is equal to 0 and flag is greater than 0, flag is greater than 0 means we have one book. So then we increase the count until we found another one. Okay, now we found, now count become 1. And now if it is 1, then if now we encounter 1, now count is greater than 0, then we include the it into the answer. Okay, that is the idea, that we get the answer. And answer is the how many zeros between the books, this is the answer. That's why I'm just using this concept. Thank you all, hope you understand.